Hey guys, Antonio here with another video on The Way of the Superior Man by Deida, and today we're going to be talking about how to turn your lust into gifts. Someone of masculine energy may get lustful ideas about some other person of feminine energy that they see or someone that they know, and they let these fantasies take control. They take that energy that they just got from this lust and turn that into a fantasy that they end up just wasting the energy away. But what a superior man does is they use their breath to circulate that energy throughout their entire body and use it to enliven them, rather than use it on a thought that just gets wasted and thrown away. The whole purpose of sex is for creation, right? You have intercourse in order to create another human being. That is the purpose behind it, okay? So similarly with lust, right? When you lust for something, that is energy that you could be using to create something new, to bring something new into this world. Not a baby, but bring something brand new into this world. So you can use that lust and transmute that energy into desire to get something greater than yourself done. Okay? I talked about this in the transmutation of sexual desire chapter in Think and Grow Rich. And what he talks about this exactly. Take those sexual thoughts and try to turn them into thoughts that motivate your desire in order to get something done. Okay, we want to channel that with your breath throughout your body. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, make sure to subscribe. Please donate to me on Patreon. Check out the book on Amazon. And as always, remember that a chapter a day allows for success to make way. I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.